Abilene healthcare workers are putting a new spin on an old concept. House calls, recently starting their own mobile urgent care clinic, and our Catherine Garcia has more.
It's not a new concept. Healthcare professionals going door to door. Physicians and nurses have taken this route for centuries to care for people at home, even U.S. presidents and the great Muhammad Ali. Now in 2020, one new Abilene business is returning to old school house calls.
We are basically urgent care on wheels.
Clay Losi is a certified family nurse practitioner in Abilene. He and Dr. Matthew Wick began cooking up the idea of the Abilene Mobile Med about a year ago. The business was scheduled to jumpstart this first weekend of April, but as the COVID-19 outbreak quickly spread throughout the U.S., they began serving the community 3 weeks early.
We went from 0 to 1 patient a day, and now we're up to 2 or 3 patients every day.
The healthcare professionals can treat patients for a myriad of issues, relieving nausea, treating a sore throat, and stitching open wounds. The business takes appointments by call, text, and online scheduling, where patients can find price quotes for specific ailments.
And I'll get a text message saying the patient's name and what they need to be seen for, and along with a short summary of what they said about their symptoms, so I can better prepare.
Losi says a major goal of this service is to alleviate high volume of medical clinics and emergency rooms by patients who may not need to be there.
Patients that are having heart attacks and having strokes, somebody that got in a bad motorcycle wreck, and then you have stuff like the sniffles and a cough and a sore throat competing with that.
Losi adds that fewer patients in clinics and ERs means suppressing the spread of COVID-19. And as a door-to-door nurse practitioner, he's taking additional precautions to slow the spread as well.
But if they're there for a fever, cough, congestion, then I may meet them on their front porch.
An old concept meets these new times. In Abilene, Catherine Garcia, KRBC, Abilene's local news.
All right, thank you, Catherine. Abilene Mobile Med says they have very few COVID-19 tests available. They are working to obtain more to help better serve their patients.